Boost your English, mastering with for instruments and companions. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to dive into the world of English collocations. Specifically, we'll focus on using with for instruments and companions. This video is designed for advanced learners, but regardless of your English proficiency level, you're sure to learn something new. The preposition with is used in English to indicate association, connection, or interaction. It can represent instruments we use to accomplish tasks, or the companions we share experiences with. Let's take a closer look at how with is used in these contexts. When we talk about with as related to instruments, we're not necessarily referring to musical instruments. Instead, we're discussing any tool or object used to accomplish a task. Here are some examples. He cut the paper with scissors. I wrote the letter with a pen. She paints beautiful pictures with her brush. In each of these cases, the with phrase tells us what instrument is used to complete the action. Now, let's talk about with in terms of companionship. With can express who we're with at a particular moment, or who we're doing something with. Here are some examples. I went to the concert with my friends. She's eating dinner with her family tonight. He's watching a movie with his dog. In all these cases, with introduces the companion or companions involved in the action. Let's practice. Try to create your own sentences using with for instruments and companions. It's always a good idea to practice new concepts to reinforce your learning. You might even want to write your sentences down or share them with a study partner. We've reached the end of today's lesson on using with for instruments and companions. This has been an advanced lesson in English collocations, but remember, mastering these subtleties can significantly improve your English proficiency. Don't forget to practice what you've learned. We hope you found this video helpful. Keep learning, keep practicing, and you'll be an English language master in no time. See you in the next video.